Okay, so part of the engine is made up of a hemisphere attached to a cylinder of radius r as shown below. Okay. Now I've written 2r in there for the radius of the hemisphere because it tells me there, right? I've noticed that the radius of the hemisphere is 2 times the radius of the cylinder. Okay. And we've got the height of the cylinder is 6r. Okay. And then they tell us, of course, the volume of the whole part is 3,244, blah, blah, blah. So what I'm going to do to start with is write down the volume there, okay, and think about then what the volume consists of. Well, 2 shapes, cylinder and a hemisphere. So we know the formula for cylinder, pi r squared h, yeah, because it's just a prism. Think of it as a prism with a circular area, pi r squared, times then the height, plus then the 2/3 pi r cubed for a hemisphere, and we get that equal to that number there, yeah? So we're going to sub in 3.14 times, now the r for the cylinder is just r, isn't it, the radius there, okay? So, so we'll have r squared in our formula, times then the height, which is 6r, plus then 2/3 times 3.14 times r cubed. Now let's be careful here, we've got to be really careful. The radius for the hemisphere is 2r. Okay, so what's this now? I've got to cube it, yeah? So you've got to cube the radius. So I need to put that in a bracket and appreciate, I'm not just cubing r, I'm cubing 2r, I'm cubing the whole thing. That equals then to 3244.48. Okay, so let's take our time on this. First thing I'll do now is group the numbers together, okay, as so. So I get the numbers at the start, and then you've got the r's, r squared times r. Now, what's this here, right? Really important point here. As I said before, we're cubing, not just the r, we're cubing 2r. So you've got to cube 2, okay, and 2 cubed we know is 8. Okay, 2 times 2 times 2. And we get then that there. So I'll get my calculator, I'm going to work that out there, 3.14 times 6, which is 18.84. R squared times r is r cubed, and then we've got 2/3 times 3.14 times 8, and that comes to 16.746 recurring r cubed, which equals to this number here. And then we just got to add these, yeah? So add them on my calculator. So add 18.84 and add 18.84, and I get out 35.586 recurring r cubed equals to this. So r cubed then equals to 3244.48 divide by this, okay? So we isolate the r cubed, take that 35.586 over. So my calculator is quite nice because I just do 3244.48 divided by ants, and I get out r cubed then to be 91.17. To get r then, don't forget you've got a cube root, 91.17. There was another page on this, by the way, okay, for doing your answer. Just trying to squeeze it on here. So that comes out to be 4.5. Now, we're not done, of course. Remember now, you've got to read the question. It says calculate the total height of the whole engine part. Well, the total height, remember, is all of it here. Well, not just that, that's 6r, but you've also got this bit here as well, which is the radius of the hemisphere. So 8r, isn't it? So the height will be 8r, which is 8 of them, which is 36, I believe, 36 centimeters. Okay.